for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So me share and there your first time subscribe and click the notification bell on the so MI. Not just send your best I will screen so not just in common or ya so. Now assembly ababa to me now a very very typical of a lot of people. Answer the better and subscribe and click and that screen so no we understand latest news be about one sabe can. It's for me concept so a lot of Ghanaian yebeka Ghana for asabe womo every a year poor background na womo ebe dane stars womo benya scam akwai say a lot of them womo story any na say me person me kai me coach na me kai I think Michael Essien Krano he actually experienced something like this na Yaw Dabo any ayenim the Kumawood star Yaw Dabo a very big star e wo Kumawood mu o den send bia betuja na asema Yaw Dabo woka ne tentini ne tietia ne se enye se wono Yaw Dabo no yo obi a wodi mbraso e wo Ghana na nkasa be ne papa ono Yaw Dabo ne papa na ka watwe etu abo ne papa eku no creative for enye easy na Yaw Dabo a wo ye church elder so wo beka asem we dia na e wo se muhu se asem no ebufuo ewom na asem no eno ene se Yaw Dabo se chese ne mama ne papa wo omo ye miensa nti ono Yaw Dabo no o two other siblings na emra wo so no ana Yaw Dabo no emra ye wo omo no omo tere no ne papa djuma be seye na ne papa djuma seye no say I think things like this actually happen say e fair real say dey you and ne papa dani ja wo mo etiefo ne papa djuma seye o na se we djuma seye at least wo de tina won ma ho kake chese ne papa djane eja wan ka hwe antro mo we djane eja ne maame ene chese enkola won no papa no ene maame na wo chese 3 no we djane eja o mo atese we jai o mo ato maame no so se be wo papa na wo di bi baka no we djuma seye na maame no obeden nti Dabo se ne maame visio chese na ne maame bre o bre wo chese ni sio ene nyama na ne maame de show mo ne maame de show mo ne maame de show mo school fees one year day eduano medi e one year day chese wo mu ne hwe because papa na wo di biba no aye dey nti we dwane o anka hwe true bia wo bie ni bia papa na akose na eho ena Dabo say Mpaibon ne maame so yobi a woje mpaibon di nti okwa asori a mpaibon san na chese nyankopon ebebie kwan ema Yaw Dabo nyankopon bebie kwan ma Dabo say ne kre nyankopon bebie kwan no at least kakra ba de nsem wonye hwekra no ono Yaw Dabo wonye hwekra ne de at least we see 3-bedroom house ama ne maame say man mi amenitia because ono Dabo no na wo ye first born e was siblings ni mu wono na wo ye panyi nto okaten se man menitia se na wa bre eyi wo mojeni wa bre ahwe so man why you bibi say dia I was say at least the least I can even do for you and I say Messi Diamond it yes we see 3-bedroom house amano na there was say e man le bufu ye ne say ono Yaw Dabo no wo ha wo betia ne say ne mame afre no adan ne papa aba say was rebo ne fache osi was rebo ne fache say dey was rebo ne fache say dwane a wo dwane je omo no wanye ye ono wanye dey after all these years so was rebo ne fache say dwane je omo no onim say wanye ye na wo ba be rebo ne fache na tre say Yaw Dabo asan so accept no afa ne biom say ne papa no si asem we na be ne ba te say mame ene abadaye nso ne Yaw Dabo maame yobi a wono nso pa atwa ma papa no se Dabo de ne hwe fa che no bibia ye fa hye nya mensa ena Yaw Dabo se ewe ena Yaw Dabo bisa ne maame se inti no nanka mambeda ne star nanka obeba back na inti ye fa no se woja ye nanka mambe ye na still ye brea nanka obeba because ne maame ba ne papa ba no o se asema ne papa eka o say asema le papa eka and they say Dabo me show movies na me ni ajo ho pa te say ye actor bia me ni ji ho me ba why ya there talent na ya Dabo si oti asem ni si say hey we ase pa ya de intina kende ene say be nyankopon epeja Dabo esi de bia na ko no Dabo ne kra wonji ni say ne papa be ba bio nka se baby ane papa ko born the bra wo baby can forget you mo ati ase inti ne dabo si asem we eye ne ya na asem ni si no na nko wo ben ne papa na wo ben baby ane papa eba e wo ne ma me fie na we si ama no ane papa be pa acho no nko wo ben na chale nko be bonitio ma na nko be te say any here ma one tiase akwa say the man is trying to be an opportunist. Who be? I don't know. A lot of people go through this. Say them think kind. Michael Essien, so the same thing. A better than kasa between Michael Essien and Le Tresse ne papa. What you say? Michael Essien, I think on no put the ne papa and share on no ne mame. Now after Essien be ya Essien, woma ne mame Tresse Essien is see in dining yama ema ne mame no. Now the papa and for about to say, oh, Essien has neglected the father. Now the papa tie classy be Tresse ne papa bread, Essien the best of the papa. No say now who be son who forget him me mammy o me mammy me tia send me mammy bread. I feel the original like I say I've forgotten the what I say. It you know it's a lot of things like a lot of people actually go through this thing. As a papa follow and yet they more say fair you say they you say fair you say they no more janeja you know. You don't even feel for your wife and the children. Why? Maybe they say or be my dear you can't send me say baby anjewa utuko baby and they ne uti baby na ohwe na enye ya eneke e wo se wutu na wuko baby na odi uti akọ pempem dan mu ana ho say yes baby so beje wana odi uti kọ pempem ana wo say baby so be dan e beje wana. But let your wife and your children be in the know, in the sense that wo kwa bo mo amane kacha o yere say mame wate ana wa we hu say mu ayede mesrew me pese me di miti ekọ pempim mu kakra be ma de mitumi entina ha se enje enim go ase ayede mesre mame nko o manso kacha wo mo say emu ayede. But you'll be hearing from me every week, my friend. In that way, the woman say, oh, papa ko pet baby. Now, who they would done it? One can't tell my man, one can't tell papa, now we've done it. You there, forget about, say, in Colana, now we jato my minister, say, my minister, and show mono. And think about the women and the children's too, one more emotional needs. In the sense, say, one more papa, Daniel Jomo, one more baby, I walk. I say, one be there I say ya papa ka sisi awewu and still what he say. Arewa wo mo be the emotional stress and what they have to almost no enye easy. It is sometimes a man no so will be say a fair real say a day for you can't even tell. You cannot tell. But I know any asema ya double there but say na me din can tell no. Ya double a church elder. Now, for a church elder to even speak this way, it tells you, say, I don't the papa. Because now, when you're then cry, he'll feel, say, and you nisika when you be in China back, no, because that's the case. And that won't be no, you weren't around. And that when you be waba around. Nipakuno, what person aboa can avoid any yem emboa because on only trim no, see, can I when you need to around. Ati ase na asem we adabo kan ebi mo kaseti adabo ebi mo bisa se masa hwan na ewo ono na ewo wo nti jan nsem a wo kan no ele de ne ke so ono na ewo jan nsem a ka ba me de ne se ade no enkoyi a o yewe no mba amane etiefo mo de mo ntwa mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu. Na latest news be about Monsa Ebeka Medase.